To share Semrush position tracking, follow these steps. First, navigate to the position tracking tool in your Semrush account. This tool allows you to monitor your website's ranking for specific keywords over time. Next, select the project for which you want to share the position tracking data. You can do this by clicking on the project name in the top navigation bar. Once you have selected the project, click on the Share button. You will be given the option to share the data with others via a link or to schedule a regular report to be sent to stakeholders. If you choose to share the data via a link, you can customize the level of access that the recipient will have. You can choose to give them view-only access or allow them to edit the project. To share the link, simply copy and paste it into an email or messaging platform. If you prefer to schedule a regular report, you can choose the frequency and format of the report. For example, you can choose to send a weekly PDF report or a monthly CSV report. You can also customize the content of the report, selecting which metrics and data points to include. Once you have set up the report, click Save and the report will be sent to the designated recipients on the scheduled date. Best practices for sharing Semrush position tracking include regularly reviewing and updating the keywords and competitors being tracked, and using the data to inform SEO strategy and optimize website content. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively share Semrush position tracking data with others, providing valuable insights into your website's search engine ranking and helping to drive SEO success. It is also important to note that you can share position tracking data with anyone, regardless of whether they have a Semrush account or not. This makes it easy to collaborate with team members, stakeholders, and clients, and to provide them with the insights they need to make informed decisions. Overall, sharing Semrush position tracking is a simple and effective way to communicate SEO progress and drive business results.